In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Apple Creator Studio on your iPad. Apple Creator Studio is a suite of creative applications that you can access via a subscription. Think of it as Apple's answers to Adobe Creative Cloud, where you can access Premiere Pro and Photoshop via a subscription. If we scroll down here, we can see all of the available applications via Apple Creative Studio. What's nice about this is that some of these applications are available on your iPhone, but all of them are available on the Mac and the iPad, so you can pick up where you left off on another device. To access Apple Creator Studio, we first want to download the application that we want to use. So we first need to open the App Store, and then you want to search for the application. So in this example, I'm going to search for numbers. Once you've searched for it, it should be the top result, which will look like this. Now you want to go ahead and download the application, just as you normally would. Now we've downloaded the application, we just need to sign up for Apple Creator Studio so we can access the full suite of features. So to do this, we first want to open the application, and when we open it for the first time, you'll see this splash screen highlighting all of the new features that are exclusive to the Apple Creator Studio version of this application. So once we're ready, we want to select continue. Some applications such as Numbers do have a free version, so you can go ahead and start using the application now just as you normally would. However, if you want to access the full suite of features, you will need to sign up for Apple Creator Studio. So to do this, we're going to select the green prompt on the screen now, and then we'll see this pop up, which is going to give us more information about Apple Creator Studio. So you want to go ahead and select free trial, or you can select see all plans to see all of the available options. So once we're ready, we're going to select accept free trial if you haven't done this before. And then you want to go ahead and activate your Apple Creator Studio subscription just as you normally would. Once you've signed up, you'll now be able to access all of the Apple Creator Studio applications with their full features unlocked. So we can start using the application just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.